Okay guys, I'm starting this like right after my last one, but the first thing that I like need to do is find my measuring tape so I can measure how exactly I'm doing like this whole thing. I know that's not my parents, so I don't know. So I'm gonna write. So I'm just drawing a sketch of the bookshelf, and I want it to be floor to ceiling. We'll probably end up building it in my room so that we don't have to transport it. But it's gonna be my bookshelf I keep here, and then I'm gonna bring some to college, obviously. So this is also part of me packing for college, because then I have an idea of what bookshelf I want to bring. So I'm gonna decide that today too. Or maybe I'm gonna bring them all. I don't know yet. But we will see. But right now I can't remember if I actually grabbed this. Toolkit is in this bin. Found it. So if I grab this, this is my toolkit, and I also have just random screws in here. I have these, those can actually come out. I keep extra freaking whatever they're called, I don't know, command strips. This is also kind of a challenge to get over here because it's really messy over here. There's just a lot of stuff on the ground. You're also like on my bookmarks with it, so just ignore that part. Okay. So, hello, stay. Basically. I need it to go from the wall, but I also need to measure it. Okay, 47. 47 what? I think it's 4, yeah. 3 feet, 11 inches. So, we have that. And I want it to kind of go, not like fully up, but maybe fully up. Eight feet, 10 inches. That's a really tall bookshelf. And I'm just writing things down. I'm gonna go through and do a more like exact thing. So next is the height of the bookshelves, which I want slightly taller than what I have going on. So I think I'm gonna do 11 inches. Maybe I'll just do a foot. Is a foot bad? Hold on. No, I think a foot will be good. Okay, the question is, how do I do this? Because that'll be like 8 sections or whatever, plus one that's 10 inches, so I just do one that's 10 inches. Okay, hold on. 8 things, plus another one, that's 9. Okay, I'm trying to think this through. Okay, I'm gonna draw it bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, scratch this one. So it's kind of gonna look something like this. But the only thing is, do I want it in like separate sections going this way? Because it's 3 feet 11 inches this way. So it goes to that mark. Maybe, yeah, I do it in 2 or 3 sections. I'm not sure. Going this way. So I can do this, and then it's not gonna move. Cause like, it's pretty wide. Comes out to about like here on me. I'm 5'6" for reference. So it's like, I feel like doing 2 sections would be good for this. So just split it in half. I need to measure that out though. I feel like that'll work. Okay, we're gonna sit down, get more technical. So let's go sit down. Okay. So, should I grab a calculator, but whatever. No, I just drew on my dinosaur. Whoopsies. Okay, so basically, I don't need to hold on to that. I'm gonna rewrite this. Okay, so we're gonna do it across and down. I'm making this like way too wide. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then that'll be 9. So there's that mock up, and then it doesn't need to be perfect, the drawing. I still have to do the depth, but there's that. And my dad can either make them attached or like not. That's up to him. So now we're gonna do the little mock-up. I think that's how I do that. Okay, 8 feet, 10 inches. Next, I need to mark each shelf. So I'm gonna do 1, 1. I should have just wrote it on that. I don't know why I'm doing it, but I'm doing it. So I'm doing each shelf 1 foot, but I'm gonna have the middle section be 10 inches. You know? Anyways. So I don't like have a calculator with me currently, so I'm gonna grab my computer. I'm gonna use it as a calculator. Or maybe I don't like this mock-up and I just need to switch it up how I'm like planning it. Or maybe I just do it 10 inches shorter and just do 8-foot bookshelves. I don't know. Like, should be 47. Okay. 47 divided by 2. 23.5. So then I can show like how far like this distance is. 23. So that's gonna be 1 foot. And then right. One foot and then 11.5 inches. This is kind of my little mock-up. I'm gonna clean it up so it's a little bit easier to see what it is. Like, do I just make them straight up like 8 feet tall? I don't know, y'all. All I know is my phone's about to die, so I'm gonna cut this vlog a little bit short, and she's just gonna be a little bit shorter. But I'll be back when my phone's charged, so.